Good night, little sea otter. As the sun kissed the kelp forest, little sea otter snuggled on Mama's chest. Mama flooded her fur until she looked like a brown powder puff. Then it was bedtime, but little sea otter wasn't ready to sleep. I forgot to say goodnight to the Haber seals, she said. The little sea otter waved her soft, silky paw towards the rocky shore. Good night, Haber seals, the squirrels. Good night, little sea otter, they snorted back. Then loud barks bounced across the waves. Oh, I can't forget the sea lions. The little sea otter. Good night, fathers sea lions. Good night, my mother's sea lions. Sea lions and baby sea lions. Sleep tight, little sea otter, barked the sea lions. A seagull swooped down the check out and coming. What's this rust about? Squawked the seagull. It's bedtime, Mama said. Good night, seagull. Her little pup cawed. Well then, little sea otter, good night, squawked the seagull, flying off to find a good resting spot. Okay, time to lie down, said Mama, but before she could say another word, little sea otter dipped her fur face into the chilly water. Good night, orange fish and yellow fish and purple fish, she called. Good night, striped fish, spotted fish. Good night, long fish and short fish. Good night, little sea otter. All the fish bubbled and burrowed. Who else down there, Mama? Little sea otter asked Mama, named creature after creature. Good night, sea urchins, and sea stars. Good night, clams and crabs. Good night, snails and sea slugs. Little sea otter called to them all. Good night, little sea otter, the entire ocean sang back to her. Little sea otter waited for the very last good night. Did I miss anybody, Mama? Yes, you did, she said, scooping her up in her paws. You missed me. Oh, good night, Mama, she giggled. with little sea otter tugged on her chest. Mama rolled over. Mama rolled over and over in the kelp. Soon they were both wrapped in ribbons of seaweed that would keep them from drifting away, drowning the night. Uh-oh, Mama. Uh-oh, Mama. I forgot to say goodnight to the moon and stars, said little sea otter. Good night, moon. Good night, big star and little star. Good night, little sea otter. Eyes slowly closed. Good night, little sea otter closed. Mama kissed her furred head. Rock-a-bye, whispered the sea, rock-a-bye. Bye-bye. God bless you. Bye.